Hey y'all, it's your girl Erity. I am here today to give y'all a get ready with me, but also finally a brow tutorial because the girls have been asking for a brow tutorial since middle school, okay? And I never did it. So we're gonna give y'all a brow tutorial plus a no foundation look, period. So basically what I do, I use eyeshadow for my brows, and yes, I've had this eyeshadow palette since middle school, so don't judge me. Yes, it got setting powder in it, but don't worry about that, mind your business. I fill in my brows lightly. Sometimes I don't even fill them in. Sometimes I do them darker depending on the color of my hair because I got blonde hair, but my braids is black right now. And then for concealer on the bottom, I use the lighter concealer, of course. I mix those two together, and then to clean up the top portion, because personally, I have to clean the top of my brows, I use foundation. And y'all, that is foundation from Dollar General, honey. And it is a match, and it is flawless, airbrushed, honey. She eats, I'm not even gonna lie. But don't go buy her up, please, because I'm gonna be so mad. And for a concealer brush, I actually have tried a lot of different brushes, but I originally started off using the angle brush, and that's what I use now because it just gives that real clean, crisp cut look, okay? And that's what I'm going for because I've always been that girl with her brows on fleek, period. I made sure to get y'all every shot of me lining out them brows. Then I use a blending brush, blend that out, blend it real good, honey. I did it quick in the video because it's editing, but blend it, okay? Blend. I'm not playing. Now, you do not have to use the same products that I have. I've used a lot of different products and have had bomb brows regardless. These are just the products that I have currently. And sometimes I use other products still. Now we're lining up with the foundation, and I like to go in at the bottom as well and blend it out to make sure the concealer on the bottom isn't too bright. We want to add a little foundation to it, so I just blend that in there a little bit as well, as you will see. And you will see me progressively get happier and start turning up because I'm feeling myself. And look how flawless it blends, honey. You see that? This is what I mean. Blend it. For real. And just like that, we're finna be done, baby. I use setting spray on my brows because when I don't, they be smearing. Like, I don't know, but if you know, you know. I don't know if nobody else knows. But you see them, baby? Yeah. Period. And here I go with my used up, I don't know what color no more lip liner from the beauty supply store. I do use setting spray on my lip liner as well. Yeah. Now we finna do some highlighter. And bruh, this palette is literally amazing. Not even gonna cap. But yes, I put setting spray on my highlighter as well, so it can really stick. Like, just try it, y'all. I'm telling you, if you don't do it already, do it, okay? You will thank me later, because honey, that highlight gonna be up there and stuck there, okay? Watch. And I'm not even gonna lie, I love me a good highlight. I don't even have to have makeup on, and highlight is gonna make you look good, honey. And don't forget, blend that nose highlight and get the top lip as well. Trust me, you're gonna love it, okay? Especially if you have large lips like I do. And basically, I'm done with my makeup. So now we finna get finished getting ready, honey. So I'm just swooping up them edges, swoop deal, okay? And I don't have to have my edges perfect. Like, if it look good enough, then we're going with it, because why do I need perfect edges? I mean, I get it, it's art, but it be good enough for me. And you know, some people don't know how to do their edges, so I'm gonna just show y'all the full part of me doing this so you see how I brush it till it's smooth. And boom, just like that. She's perfect. And then of course we gotta get the sideburn on the side too, because honey, my edges be curled up and afro, okay? I use As I Am rice water to moisturize my scalp. I use it on my natural hair as well. Then I got the Dollar General lip gloss, and I'm at the point where I like shades, so this is the one. Yes, she's eating. She's feeling herself. And honestly, y'all, as a mother, basically still a new mom, I needed this. I needed this moment. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. Ta-da. Hey, hey. So without further ado, woo, thank you girls for hanging out with me. I hope to catch y'all in the next one, because there's going to be plenty more content coming.